Sikakoko King Kong. He said, obey for security services to create opportunity for young people. Those videos are there. 500,000 people allegedly applied. In him says space for recruitment 5,000. So 500,000 taxi or more. It wasn't free. In fact,
for
forms. Beyond that, Ebimususu say, given that we have some sort of patronage society, as a protocol day. Ebefim. Na protocol no crowd no. Ebimu bo mo aban say enye protocol kwan course. Enipa bi wo mo a sa opportunities here ba for young people. The first uniska. My shock to read on platforms yesterday. Sebuntia, in fact, those complaining on social media, NDC for a bit you have 50,000 Ghana cedis. A bit you have 40,000 Ghana cedis.
For what?
For protocol. So many access. but I don't think say omu deserve me sympathy because bibia ya manyosem, yes, on several fronts. This is a country in crisis. I think say Nora Nami who Honorable Muntaka.
Yes.
In a video.
Yes.
Explaining why say omu party mba and as a Ghana form po. Me nka say party mba.
Yes.
Omu apply for jobs. Omu sanka.
Security recruitment.
Yes.
Okay.
Obi studio ha. Wow studio ha. People sat here to promise young people. Imbebuno amuni ejumaye say omon tum abamo omon campaign mo no mo ba be mo a ombeyi nkofo edi security services ene obako da go boss so sika kokko kinkon. He said obeyi obi for security services to create opportunity for young people. Those videos are there. 500,000 people allegedly applied. Him says space for recruitment 5,000. So 500,000 taxi or more. It wasn't free. In fact, forms beyond that. Ebimu susu say, given that we have some sort of patronage society, as a protocol day. Ebefim. Na protocol no crowd no. Ebimu bomb ho aban say, enye protocol kwan course. Enipa bi wo mo a sa opportunities here eba for young people. The first my shock to read on platforms yesterday. Sebuntia, in fact, those complaining on social media, NDC for a bit you have 50,000 Ghana cedis. A bit you have 40,000 Ghana cedis.
For what?
For protocol. So many access
to security agents.
Yes. 50,000, 40,000,
500
million. Now, and no cramp on a say, 500 million. Now you can start a business, but you can see the hopelessness. Obi or how few say just said no. Why? Because de say jumano amanyosem high pin to make it seem say security services no. Once you get there, that means all your problems are solved. The hopes and aspirations of 500,000 young people in one day, minority leader can say, "Omurifandi scam." Why
the
not?
number of Nkofo apply and has the minister confirmed somewhere 500,000?
500,000. Nobody has come to issue a disclaimer. Say it's ridiculous, but it goes to show. Say form so no munyeska or one. Then it was a way to tax the young people to raise money.
No so can we be no match ama wuntimi ehun ye tan e wa Ashanti region because no mo kasa omo ye campaign ditia no nam se mo beti enu ntina chama wuntimi ko gina party office ka say e haye ne kingdom a amanfo dan ne say wadidi ye papa ye nana otumfo political speech me say ndra girl no NDC girls a omuye campaign no Ashanti region o say opia adum PZ ho no ontimi mfa ho osiesie no ho ndra na onu susu say ne family sister bi a ne maame ne papa nyina awu agya na ono nso akopeke form wanya chance ni bi nam say munyina mo beka monum nsem munyina kakra beka obia anti boot for boot mede manu
you want say you pay for they be a case your positioner no mo say branch executives muna party no eyamudia the dia both MPP NDC almost you the party belong to the branch the party belong to the branch that you mean no case me branch amano nyame adom edia me djuma bi da manya me djuma bi amre but that me can nipa CV egu mi hopa chrewa a lot of agencies just drive the juma just driving work betting ka say driving juma there said any qualification be brace you have driving license there you can good to go that's you nyamishia edujita mekulu he's the only person or respond to me anytime me assistant that can you imagine say you was Shama Joe Ashama, your communication officer was Shama. Sa guy anyway say NDC form penny for a giant my composition and make your muka. I could remember say guy we on a sponsor the filling station near G fuel free. Fuel Ayaji or Joe Ashaman filling station one campaign. A bit you seek faster house. There were 2 years more. They have neglected this boy up to now. And training alongside that, who say, yeah, you need more community. I'm from my pressure. Mr. Pressure, Mr. Last Sunday, go for better 17. Military, I can. Who's Nippon cultural attitude text? What is attitude text? Now, I'm not feeling colony in neighborhood. That's Corona the Guya. Come on, say, I'm mobile. You don't me a cabia mom. And so that's it. Make me a screenshot of ministers of state among more message. CEOs among more text messages. Our phone because from one. I'm far. And just any message on that. On the who message in the pan. Fee. Your TikTokers, they be identified. Send to Betty Lam or TikTok. They or the new resources. Did Ramadan chi a campaign my JDM our TikTok. They here just a support. That's my meeting to grab chill. Who's the why you for your program is a travel abroad. Who can that program pa? That's it. Me push him and call out three. But at the end of the day, you have to pay 7,000 for one person.
Hey.
Is that free? Yes. I'm telling you this for a fact. Make me go back to but let me tell you for a fact. Sir, travel abroad now. Why 4 years? But that is not free. Everybody, I can prove everybody wrong. We may challenge him is that they can draw. But at the end of the day, after West because I'm clearance everywhere, Lima police station, they have to demand 7,000 from every person. But also be able to give 4. I call every say a government initiative. It's a free. Now you can't come and pay. It's our SME raises a 2,800 cities. Sorry, 28,000 cities. Now, you call a Dubai. I call you taxi or Dubai. So, when you say, what is it? That's it. The way you're paying for New Year long. Sisiano, a formula is shit. Mammy catch on say, the way Mahama got 8 years, I buy Sana Baumia, which me at 10 years, or which Yaba. It's my new margin, say, and then Omania CEOs, Omania minister, and then the free people on funny call. The money message on reply. The only CEO, they be on reply the message. I had to see Tamakulu. So the mini whole crowd, also Francis. Now, we see, driving Juma, who come for co-border, and before I employ perform, we more as a driver, our co-board. You are pushing just driving work. Just driving. When you say, of our diploma, just driving. Your cross was very automatic. So, which you meet a banker, Michika, and Gapua, Michika of VRA, Michika of Electric Company of Ghana, Michika of now, by the end of the day, you see, you are pushing just driving work. Am I for more than a year now? That's a young That's a young But my a form home, no matter the country I say, the party belongs to the branch. You will hold a chum. You will hold a chum.